All right, so next we want to put the screws back in for the switch. We've just plugged it back in using the guides to set it down into place. Again, these are a couple of the small ones like previously. All right, now you want to take your shell lid, set it right back in place. Pretty simple to do. You just want to take the guideposts where the screws are supposed to go. You can set it sandbox. You can set it the lid on the bottom, like lunchbox style, as a guide, and just slowly close it using the lips, just like that. The eject button should be right in the middle, which makes it pretty simple. Just press down gently on it. Make sure that your power switch is pushed down. It's going to help you close it. Now, once the lid's on, hold it, squeeze both sides nice and tight, and give it a flip over. Now we want to put our safety screws back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, you want to screw it in just to tighten it gently. You don't want to strip any of the plastic or screws or anything like that. Once you hit resistance, just let it go. Move on to the next. It's a little difficult to get them in properly, but you can give it a little wiggle. It should pop into that screw hole, and then your tool will grasp it and you can just screw it back in. These ones on the sides are a lot easier to get to because the holes are a lot shallower. You can give it a once over, make sure everything's tight, just don't over tighten it. And that, my friends, is it. You have successfully taken apart your SNES and checked the chips inside to see if it's a one chip or not, and given it a good cleaning. The contact pins, anyways, are nice and clean now. So we did learn a few things through this process. We learned that this specific console is not a one chip. It is an APU model of Super Nintendo. It came out in 1995. It's actually the last revision before the one chips came out, which is pretty cool. So the tip given by Retro RGB to check under the extension port proved to be true, even though it was specifically for the Super Famicom PAL version. We didn't have the 3 dots in this little hole right here, and it was not a one chip. So it's good to know that that is also true, or appears to also be true, for the NTSC version of the Super Nintendo. All right, folks, I'll leave it at that for now. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. I have other Super Nintendos. I have other Nintendo consoles if you're interested in seeing teardowns like this. let me know. I will make content like that if it's something that you're interested in. If you are interested in helping me make more content like this, you can also become a patron over at patreon.com/JeremyKingTech. Links are on my channel page as well as down in the description below for my Patreon. If you become a patron of mine, I have numerous tiers, but you also get access to my private Discord server where we can talk about future videos and things like this that I do. If you have any questions about this video or about disassembling your own Super Nintendo, it might be a different version than mine, please let me know in the comments as well. I'd love to talk to you about that stuff. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.